Ask Tom on Home Show.
George's wife from Southwest Houston has a piddle problem.
Well, she does. She's worried about
Yes?
these. Well, not her, but we'll get. That's a whole different kind of question. No, she's worried about
That
these.
would be a doctor show.
That would be a different show.
Oz.
But she's worried about these concrete floors here, Tom. That's what she's talking about. She writes, I'm worried our puppy pee will permeate the acid stain and stain the concrete floors. What do you recommend to clean them with, Tom? Please enlighten my hubby, since he doesn't believe me.
Well, first off, dog or cat urine, or for that matter, people, cows, and sheep, it doesn't matter. It's still urine. It is highly corrosive, and it will stain. I mean, there's just no way around it unless you're there collecting it with a cup like you do at the doctor's office. So the bottom line is this, is if you want to clean it, I would tell you not to do any more damage with harsh cleaners, to use maybe a simple green. Something that's more pH balanced. Don't use any acids or alcohols or ammonias, but use something pH balanced. So to clean it, simple green. Will it eventually mar the surface and the stain? Yes, it will, if it keeps happening enough and if it sits there long enough. So it's going to happen. But as far as cleaning, no alcohols, no acids, no ammonias. People make mistakes like that all the time on stone, on concrete, stained concrete, on different things. Use a pH balanced cleaner, and the one I know of the most is just a simple green. You can get it at any of the box stores and stuff, and it's actually a pretty good product.
Yeah. We've used that as well. But if you're not there right on top of that dog right away, and it even sits there for a little while, you're going to get a spot, right? I mean, it's going to start burning right away.
Well, urine is acidic as far as I know. Right. It's not a pH balanced liquid, so it's Well,
I guess it's a matter of how well hydrated your dog is as to the concentration. But
sure.
So George's wife, make sure those dogs are drinking a lot. Maybe you have less of a problem. That won't work. All right. Do you have a question? Tom will give you an answer. Go ahead, right? That's why it's called Ask Tom. Fill out that form at HomeShowRadio.com. He'll answer it, and we'll post a video here. I'll make crazy comments, and you'll see it on Facebook, our YouTube channel, and at HomeShowRadio.com.